Dear student, everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs, uh, provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. It is known as the resource. So, what is the resource? This is the definition of resource. Whatever the things we required for our satisfactions, वो टेक्नोलॉजिकली भी एसेसिबल होनी चाहिए, इकोनॉमिकली बेनिफिटेड होने चाहिए, और दैट इज़ कल्चरली एक्सेप्टेबल होने चाहिए। तो ऐसे चीज़ों को जो है रिसोर्सेज बोले जाते हैं, रिसोर्सेज कहा जाता है। रिसोर्सेज का क्लासिफिकेशन मैप के माध्यम से आपको बताया गया है। नेचुरल्स एंड ह्यूमन मेड। नेचुरल जो होते हैं रिन्यूएबल्स और नॉन रिन्यूएबल्स होते हैं, और रिन्यूएबल्स जो होते हैं दैट इज कंटिन्यूस और नॉन कंटिन्यूस एंड बायोलॉजिकल्स। Biologicals further it can be divided into through two parts. One is the natural and otherwise the wildlife resources. Likewise, human-made resources can be classified into the two two category. One is the quantity and quality and quantity, structures and institutions. Non non-renewable resources can further be divided recyclables and non-recyclables. रिसाइक्लेबल्स में मेटल्स इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इट, और नॉन रिसाइक्लेबल ये जो हैं फॉसिल्स फ्यूल्स जो है दोज आर एग्जॉस्टेड। द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ थिंग्स अवेलेबल इन आवर एनवायरनमेंट involves an interactive relationship between the nature, technology, and institution. Whatever things we find in natures, in the environment, if we want to do transform it, we want to change it. For that, technology, institutions, and nature is required. Human beings interact with nature through technology and create institution to accelerate the economic development. इकोनॉमिक ह्यूमन बींग जो है इनके संग इंटरेक्ट नेचर के संग इंटरेक्ट करता है टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से, और human being will also create the institutions so that the development of economy should be accelerated. Do you think that the resources are the free gift of nature as resources as is assured by many? आपको पता ही है कि द रिसोर्सेज दीज आर द फ्री गिफ्ट ऑफ नेचर्स, दे आर not they are free gift of nature. Resources are a functions of human activity. Resources जो हैं human activity का कार्य है. Human beings themselves are essential component of resources. Human being जो है अपने आप में एक essential components है resources के लिए. They transform materials available in our environment into resources and use them. ये this is only the human being who has the knowledge about the transformations of resources, and it is only the human beings that can use the resources. Resources can be classified in the following ways. रिसोर्सेज क्लासीफाई कैटेगराइज करा जा सकता है बेसिस ऑफ ओरिजिन, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द ओरिजिन, बायोटिक एंड एबायोटिक में. Second point, on the basis of the exhaustibility, exhaustibility, on the basis of the exhaustibility, renewables and non-renewables. Renewables that can be renewed again and over again, and non-renewables they are exhausted with the time. On the basis of the ownership, the resources can be classified individuals, community, national and international. On the basis of the status of the development potentials, developed stocks and reserves.